Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this YGwigs hair right here. This is what the packaging looks like. The packaging comes with the hair, it comes with an adjustable wig band, it comes with two combs, clips and it also comes with an elastic band or the hair combs as well. This is what the wig looks like. The wig comes with their newly designed fixed cap method right there. Look at that. The face cap is sewn in a professional way, and it also has an extra layer to it, as you can tell, to protect this face cap from budging. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like after I sewed the elastic band on it. The elastic band also have an adjustable pin inside it, which makes it easier for people with big heads, small heads, to be able to adjust it to their head size. I am a huge fan of this hair. The fact that I don't have to do anything at all I did was just cut the lace and I'm good to go. And you can also pat the hair anywhere you like. As you can tell, I pat the hair all over, anywhere I like you can do the same. I really like the part of the hair due to the fixed cap, and the most amazing thing about this hair is the quality of the hair. The quality of the hair is really amazing. The hair was actually silky straight from the box, so there was no need for me to do anything. Voila, look at that. Just cut the lace and you are good to go. Wow, I love this. Like seriously, I also like the lace that came with the hair. The lace was very close to my skin tone, which is really good. And also the fixed cap, guys. The fixed caps make it just changed the game. It changed the game. You can pat the hair within 13/6 of the lace closure, which obviously is amazing. I really like the fact that the lace of the hair is really lightweight, so it made it easier for me to be able to work with the hair. As you can tell, that's the hairline. The hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box, so there was no need for me to do anything at all on the hair. Very easy. As a novice or anyone trying out wig for the first time, this would be an amazing choice for you guys. Amazing choice. Another amazing thing about the face cap is the fact that you don't need to add concealer to your wig to mess it up. You don't need to add powder, you don't need to add anything at all, and you can see the parts look so natural. And also you don't need to wear any wig cap whatsoever on your hair. The face cap is there to give you that natural looking part, which I really like a lot. And you don't need any glue, gel, or anything else to install the hair, because the hair comes with an elastic strap as well inside the wig. And there's also 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, which is also there for you to secure the hair if you like. It's not a must, or if you want to wear the hair as an updo, which is really nice and very easy. And the most interesting thing about this hair is the fact that you don't need to go to professional to install it. As you can tell from the beginning of this video, all I did was just cut the lace and I'm good to go. But next, I decided to curl this hair, because most people always say straight hair don't curl. Not this hair. This hair curls really well. As you can tell, the hair is silky, guys. Look at that. The luster of the hair is just fantastic. Like seriously, this is my natural hair. You can't argue with that. This is my hair. I love the hairline, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this YGwigs right here. The hair is actually silky straight from the box. As you can tell from the video, I didn't straighten the hair or do anything to the hair whatsoever, apart from coiling the hair at the end of this video. So yeah, I'm just gonna go straight to the points and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed about the hair straight from the box is the fact that the hair has been pre-customized straight from the box, guys. Straight from the box. You don't have to do anything at all. As you can tell from the install of the hair, I actually just cut the lace and I'm done. I'm good to go. Like seriously, the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box and everything has been done for you. Another thing that I noticed about the hair that I really like a lot is the fact that the lace of the wig was also very close to my skin tone. I really love that about this hair, guys. there was no need for me to do any extra job or any extra work or anything on the hair because everything has been drawn. So I really didn't need to do anything at all. There was also an elastic band and elastic strap in the in the box, but I actually used the adjustable elastic band to install this hair, which was so easy, guys. This is actually one of the easiest hair install on my channel because I didn't have to do anything. The hair was also silky straight from the box, so there was no need for me to straighten it because at some point I was thinking, should I straighten the hair? Should I straighten the hair or not? But I just thought the hair is already silky straight, so why would I have to worry about that? So one thing I noticed about the hair is the fact that the fake scalp also have an extra lace on it, which actually has as an extra layer for the fake scalp, which I really like a lot. So you can wash your wig, you can blow dry your wig, you can do anything to your wig without having to worry about the fake scalp at all. It's intact, it's in place, so there is no need for you to worry about what if I wash my hair, can I blow dry my hair, can I do this, can I do that to my hair. There is no need to worry about that at all. The fake scalp is sewn in a very professional way, so you don't have to worry about it coming out or anything. It was well laid as well. Another thing I noticed about the hair is also the fact that the hair is really soft, guys. Very soft. I mean really soft. As you can tell, the hair was so silky straight from the box, which I really like a lot. I also noticed that they are quite generous with their length. For 22 inches, the hair is almost to my belly button. I'm actually 5.3 feet, so the hair is almost up to my belly button, and it's just 22 inches, guys. 22 inches. So in my opinion, they are also generous with their length. I really like this brand a lot because this is like my third or fourth time working with them. The kind of person that if I really like a brand a lot, I really don't mind working over and over with them, because the most important thing for me is quality, guys. The quality of their hair is really good. As you can tell, it's not one of those straight hair that you'll be worried about coiling. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that, because I've heard a lot of people complain about the fact that when they get straight hair, their straight hair don't curl, it goes straight back, and after like few minutes their straight hair goes straight back. No, this is not that kind of straight hair. If you're looking to get this hair and you think, well, I want to invest in this hair and I want to have it as my one and only hair for now, you can wear it straight, you can wear it curly, you can actually add your one curls to even make the curls tighter if you like. So if that's the look you're going for, I really quite like that about this hair a lot. Another thing that I really like about this brand is the fact that they have all types of hairstyle on their website. They have curly, they have straight, they have kinky, they have all types of hair on their website. And the most amazing part of it is that they are all quite affordable, guys. Very affordable. Despite the fact that their hair is quite affordable, the quality of their hair is really good. Like really good. I'm always looking forward to working with them because of the quality of their hair. As you can tell, for a straight hair to look this coily, like seriously, you can't get any better in my opinion. Yeah. So yeah, another thing that I noticed about this brand that I really like a lot is the fact that the shipping is really quick, like extremely quick. It took exactly 3 days to get here in the UK, which I'm quite surprised about, because most times a lot of people complain about how long their shipping takes for their shipping to get to them. But their shipping was extremely quick. It took about 3 days, exactly 3 days to get here in the UK, which I really like a lot. So in case you have somewhere to go or you have an event to attend and you really need your hair, then I would definitely assure you that you get your hair in time for the event if you order in advance. I really recommend this hair. Absolutely recommend this hair. I would definitely recommend this hair, especially if you're a novice that you don't really know how to wear wig, or you're starting out with wigs, wearing wigs and all. I would definitely recommend this hair because all you need to do is just cut the lace and you're good to go. You can also use the elastic strap inside the wig cap as well to install the hair if you like. I just decided to go for the adjustable elastic band, just for the sake of this video, but you can install the hair anyhow you like. You can use gel, you can use whatever you like to install the hair, but to go for the easier way, just to show you guys that you can do it. If I can't, anyone can wear this wig, anyone, without having to worry about going to professional to install the hair. As you can tell, there's no glue, there's no gel. That's my natural hair. So yeah, you don't need to worry about anything at all when it comes to installing this. That's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.